Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thank you for joining me for another live tutorial today on this wonderful Thursday. Hope everyone has plans for this weekend for the 4th of July. We had planned to go to Nashville and visit our youngest daughter, and then she came down with a second bout of COVID. So we will be staying home this weekend. But that's okay, we have lots to do, and John's making some progress on the bathroom, so he's got a nice long weekend to work on that. Okay, so today I want to make a fun card using the Tea Boutique Suite in the annual catalog, and I'm using the cards in envelopes, and I'm going with the Tahitian Tide one today. I love this color. And let me show you the stamp set that we're using, the Cup of Tea stamp set and the teacup dies, which I love. I always tend to put the dies that I'm using on this side of the envelope and then the rest here for class. And I've pre-cut a few things, but we're going to stamp and die cut a few others. So let's bring in our pieces, and I will put the measurements and supplies on my blog. The link is below. Oh, I guess I need some adhesive. That might help. You know, when I reorganized my room, my craft room here, I thought I would be a little more organized, and I cannot find any of my many Stampin' Cut and Emboss Machines plates. They were all rubber band together, and who knows where they went. They just disappeared. I will find them eventually though. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. This is a little get well card. It says, take care of yourself. And let's just stamp this kind of down here at the bottom of this white one. I think my ink might be a little extra juicy. Looks a little funky there. That's okay. All right. Let's adhere this on, and then we're going to do a little more, die cutting. Okay, we'll set that aside. I've got a piece of this Tahitian Tide, and I'm going to stamp this fun little striped cup on here. All right, cute. I love stripes. All right, then I have a little scrap of white cardstock, and I'm going to take some Daffodil Delight, and let's just stamp a lemon on here. Just a quick little lemon, and that's all the stamping we're going to do. So let's die cut these. We have our open teacup and our little lemon die. I'll bring in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine real quick. Hopefully I have the right sandwich put together here. Okay. Trying to see this at an angle here. And the lemon. Now, you don't have to have a cut and emboss machine for this, and you could always cut it out by hand. The one thing I like about the dies is it's going to cut out this little piece in the handle, which it looks so much better with that cut out. All right. Set this aside. Okay, last thing I want to do, I have a half of a doily, or a piece of a doily. These are the Heart and Home doilies. They're going to be retiring at the end of this month. So if you want some, I would get them now, because we don't have doilies in the new catalog. I'm using the back of this because I want to make it Melon Mambo. So I'm going to take a blending brush, and we're just going to do a nice dark Melon Mambo sponging or brushing or making our doily pink. Cute. All right, that was it. That was quick. Okay, probably got pink ink on my fingers now, but hopefully we'll be okay. All right, I'm going to adhere this down. Probably right about here. And it just fits side to side. Okay, and then that gives us space to put our teacup on top. I want to take this slice of lemon and hang it on my teacup. So I'm going to just try slicing in right in the center. Let's see if that'll work. I've got a little extra white on the bottom. Let's just trim that off. And see if that little slit, oh, perfect. That's what I want. I'm going to put a little dab of glue here though, just to hold it on. All right. And lastly, I want to add a little tag. And then I pre-die cut some of these little Melon Mambo hearts. So I'm just gonna stick a heart on here. Let's see if we can grab our pick tool. Pick that up. That's why I love the putty end of the pick tool. All right, I don't know where the other end is. Here it is. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little piece of white baker's twine and we're gonna attach it on the back of the tag with the dimensional. I'm just going to use a mini dimensional since this is the small tag. There's two sizes of tag in the die set. And let's just hang it from right here, maybe this side of the cup. All right. Then just go on the back, attach it with another one. And these will also pop up our cup. We'll add a couple more. That should be enough. Three's plenty for this little cup. Okay, peel those off. And then we'll put our cup. I'm going to put it a little bit to the left, so I'm going to actually center the cup on there. Okay, and I've got a couple extra hearts left. It cuts out 3 at a time. So I have another one somewhere. Hold on. Let's find, here's the other one. They're so small. So small but cute. I'm going to add 2 more little hearts on here. Instead, these are taking the place of gems or something. So we're just going to do a sprinkling of hearts. Find the right side. Okay. Cute. And that's it. Such a sweet little thank you card. We'll cover up we have a nice pink glow behind our card here. And then it has, of course, these great matching envelopes. So I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure to check back on Saturday. We'll have another video for you. And just remember that this is today is the last day you can purchase anything from the January to June mini catalog, including these cute little doilies. I'll place a link below and along with the host code. So if you'd like to make a last minute purchase, please, I'd love to have your business. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.